Gabriel Brown here again. I got a quick comment I want to make here. Clients ask me all the time in the office, Gabriel, why do I have to answer all these fluff questions just to pull my credit report? Like questions, what's your favorite hobby? What do you like to do in your spare time? And I get it. I say, well, these are just data points that these credit bureaus are collecting so they can compile this information and put it in a data report. And then once you reach out to, let's say, your credit card company and you want a increase on your credit limit, right? Instead of them doing a hard inquiry, what they'll do is they'll ask you some verification points to verify that you are who you say you are, right? So of course they're going to ask you for your name, to confirm your address, your date of birth, your social security number, right? But then they'll ask you about an address that you may not remember that's probably 10 or 15 years ago, right? Or they'll ask you, what are your hobbies? Do you like reading? Do you like hiking? Do you like running? Do you like swimming? And based on these data points that they collected when you were trying to access credit or your credit reports at some previous point in the past, they'll compile a data report to ask questions now. And if you don't get these random questions right, you can't get limit increases. You can't access your accounts on some occasions, right? Okay, and it's really weird, but this is a sign for you to pay attention that these are data reports.